for the 49ers and making another big tackle. Reynolds throwing, DeBose in the end zone. He's got it. Touchdown, Charlotte. DeBose in the corner, and he just went up and took that one away. Looking downfield, and he's going to have his man over the middle, and Spencer's got a first down. From behind, the ball's out. The Niners have it. Scooped up by Marquise Watts. He's in the end zone. A touchdown, and he takes it all the way. And here comes Antonio Zeta. Now the point after is up, and it is good, and we are tied.
I want to get 11 hats to the football on defense. I want you to have some pride about the way we're flying to the football. We have to be locked in and do our job very well. Hey, dominate on three. 1, 2, 3. Dominate.
Looks, corner, end zone, Spencer. Got it. Touchdown, Charlotte. And the 49ers have an 11-point lead now. Rutledge on the left. He's got a blocker in front. 20. 10 to 5. Rutledge in the end zone. A Charlotte touchdown. It goes for 31 yards. Final seconds. The end zone. Touchdown, Charlotte. What a pass. Reynolds hits Grant DeBose. The point after is good, and the 49ers have won here in Atlanta tonight. The Niners come on the road, but they win here in Atlanta, 42-41 over Georgia State.
On the road, get our first dub for Niner Nation.
On to the next. On to the next. Keep growing.